Hi friends, it's Jillian again. I'm here with a language lesson, and this is one that any child 2 to 6 could practice, but it's probably most interesting for anybody 2.5 to 4 years old. So, what you'll need for this is a pie pan or a shallow dish, about a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup cornmeal inside the pie plate. You will need the handy cursive guide that is linked below and in our shared folder. A couple of pieces of paper, maybe a chalkboard or a dry erase board, and something to write with. I'm using a dark marker so you can see. So the first thing I want to do is take this guide, and I'm going to fold it so I can't see the uppercase to start. I'm going to fold that down. Can you see what I'm doing there? So I just have the lowercase. Now, if I am a 6-year-old or a 5-year-old and I've been practicing my letters a lot, and I've written all of them many, many times, I'm going to practice the uppercase. If I want, I can even practice the numbers. But for now, I'm going to show you the lowercase. I see all the sounds here, and some of them you may not recognize. But I'm going to start with one that probably many of you do. It's this one here, eh. I'm going to write eh on a paper. I'm going to angle my camera down so you can see. Eh starts on the bottom line and curves up to the middle. It goes like this. Eh. This is an eh. Eh starts the words egg, exit, elephant, ending. Can I think of any other ehs? Ella, Emma, Elliot. How many ehs can you think of? After I've written the eh, and moms, dads, if your child's new to sandpaper letters, you can write the eh for them. And then we'll come over to our pie plate. We'll shake it up carefully, pat it down, and practice writing the eh in the cornmeal like this. Eh. Eh. See? Once I'm ready to reset, I can roll it back and forth, pat it down again to clear my plate, and choose another sound. This time I'm going to try something more challenging. I want to try p. P is so quiet. It's almost like the air coming out of a balloon. It's a long letter. So I'm going to take my writing utensil, go up, p, 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 like pancake, potato, papa, popcorn, Panama, Portugal. Can you think of any p words? Pound. Pound cake. Here we go. I'm going to trace p. See that? It's almost like tracing a sandpaper letter. It's a little trickier because you have to follow the track. So if sandpaper letters are new to you, perhaps your mom or your dad, your grandma, or your babysitter, whoever's helping you with your school, can trace it first, and you can follow along. We'll do one more for good measure. How about touch, tickle, 10, tines, tunes, Tillamook. Can you think of any t sounds and words? Here we go. T. We go up, down, across. T, 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 t. Train starts with t. Let's trace t, 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 t. Tent. T, 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 t. Okay, I'm going to reset the board. Now it's your turn. I wonder which sounds you're going to choose. Have a great time.